All right, guys, so we're starting back up again. We're going to start with graphically solving a system of linear equations. So remember, there are a ton of ways we can graph lines. We learned some methods in chapter 2, so go back and review that if you're not sure. Basically, remember my favorite method is slope-intercept form method. That's essentially just isolating y for both of your equations. And then you use your y-intercept and your slope to help you graph your line. So let me go ahead and make some text here. So my favorite method for graphing lines. Slope intercept. Y equals mx plus b. Goal, isolate y. Okay. So what I want you to note now is that for our line 2, we already have that. So b is equal to positive 2, and m is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, which means we move up 1, right 2. For b, let's actually separate these to be a little bit nicer. For b, remember, that's your y value for the y-intercept. So that's located when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to whatever b is. So let's go ahead and close that out for a moment. And then we will graph. Start at 0, 2. And then from there, we're going to move up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. Remember, we could have also, from our b value, moved down by 1 and left by 2. Go ahead and make your line. Okay. So now for line 1, we see that we actually don't have the form we want yet. So I'm going to isolate y. I wind up getting y equals negative 3x minus 5. I just subtracted 3x from both sides. Okay, so that means my b value is negative 5, which means my y-intercept is 0, negative 5. Remember, if there's a negative here, take it with b. My m value, since it's an integer right now, okay, we want to make that into a fraction, negative 3 over 1, which means down 3, right 1. So let's start graphing this. Let's start at negative 5 on the y-axis, aka 0, negative 5. And then we're going to move down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1. Let's try that one more time. Down 3, right 1. Go ahead, make your line. And we're looking for the point at which these lines intersect. So we see that that happens at, start at origin, negative 2, positive 1. for our solution. -2, +1. Go ahead and check it. Awesome. Okay. Save that. Great. And let me go ahead and clear my screen out. Let's try one more of these because you might encounter the problem where you get infinitely many solutions or you get no solutions. So let's go to more practice. Let's see. This one's going to give us 1. Let's go to an explanation, see if it's there. Yep. Let's try one more. This one should work out. Okay, great. So we're going to work through our same process. For line 1, notice that B is 1. And notice that our slope is 1/2. That means move up by 1 and right by 2. Okay. Now for this one, I'll write it in. Line 2, isolate y. We start by subtracting x from both sides. -2y equals -x -4. And then divide both sides by -2. Y equals, we have a -1 here. So dividing that by a -2 gives us 1/2 times x. And then we have a -4 divided by a -2, that's +2. So my b value is 2, meaning my y-intercept is 0, 2. And my m value is 1/2, meaning I'll move up by 1 and right by 2. Let's move this over. Perfect. Okay, so now let's go ahead and graph this. We'll start at 2 on the y-axis. Move up by 1, right by 2. Oops. Up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. Okay. So remember what the goal is. Where do these lines meet? At what point or points? We see that they meet at no points. So no solution. Okay. As always, let me know if you have any questions about this stuff. I will start a new video to go over substitution method, and then I will start another video to go over elimination method.